keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. The days of the fly-by-night, hole-in-the-wall investment advisor may soon draw to a close. The market regulator is looking to put in place a mechanism that will stop sharp practices in the world of investment where hordes of unregistered investment advisors have had a free run to rip off ill-informed investors by charging huge fees for dodgy advice wrapped in assurances of pie-in-the-sky returns. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has floated a consultation paper on a new mechanism to enable investment advisors and research analysts to collect fees from clients through a designated platform that will be administered by a SEBI-recognized supervisory body. China's stamp duty on stock transactions will be cut in half, the first such reduction since the 2008 global financial crisis, as part of the government's latest stimulus measures in response to the country's uneven economic recovery. The Ministry of Finance and the State Taxation Administration announced that the 0.1% rate for the stamp duty on securities transactions will be halved from August 28 to invigorate the capital market and boost investor confidence. On the same day, the China Securities Regulatory Commission, CSRC, unveiled separate stimulus measures that included lowering margin requirements for investors to buy securities to 80% from 100%, which would take effect after the market closes on the 8th of September. These policies will only help in the short term, as investors are still concerned about China's fundamental problems, including the property crisis and the economic slowdown, said Kenny Wen, KGI's head of investment strategy based in Hong Kong. The Philippines securities regulator has reduced the payment cycle for stock market trades to 2 days, from 3 days previously. According to a statement by the Securities and Exchange Commission Philippines on August 25, the action would allow investors to receive proceeds from securities trades within 2 days. SEC Chairperson Emilio Aquino says the shortened settlement cycle is in line with global standards and supports our mission to facilitate cross-border trading and encourage more investors to trade in the local stock market. In line with measures to liberalize the fund management industry, the Securities Commission Malaysia introduced the Foreign Exempt Scheme framework, providing high-net-worth entities and institutional investors greater onshore access to foreign investment funds. Additionally, the SC also introduced flexibility to wholesale fund managers seeking to invest in alternative investment products beyond the current conventional assets such as securities, derivatives, money market instruments and deposits. These measures demonstrate the SC's continuous commitment to enhance the depth and breadth of the capital market. The SC's effort also aims to ensure an effective regulatory regime that facilitates product innovation while fostering an inclusive investment environment for investors with various risk appetites and needs. Capital Markets Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India came out with guidelines to strengthen the existing cyber security and cyber resilience framework for stock exchanges and other market infrastructure institutions. The new guidelines will come into force with immediate effect, the SEBI said in a circular, considering the interconnectedness and interdependency of the MIIs to carry out their functions. The cyber risk of any given MII is no longer limited to the MII's owned or controlled systems, networks, and assets, SEBI said. Your feedback is important to us as we continue to develop the industry and grow together in the investment management ecosystem. Take the survey to stand a chance of redeeming Foodpanda e-vouchers. Link in the description. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, "In the Grand Scheme of Things." Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. This edition features articles on the usage of social media for investment marketing, an introduction to vulnerable investors as well as the recent Global Money Week. Download your copy today and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.